You might know me from watching me stunt my 125cc or my 50cc. So in short, I'm used to 15 horsepower at most. But today I'm going to ride a 55 horsepower bike. Today I'm gonna ride a 300cc two-stroke. It's a 2022, I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Okay, if anyone thought the 350 was faster than a 300. Oh, and I also tried a 350 four-stroke that day. Here's how that went. Anyways, if you thought the 350 was faster, you're wrong. This thing is insane. My brain can't comprehend what's happening. It's insane. It's actually light speed. I don't think I was at full throttle once, and this thing is twice as fast as the 350. That's actually insane. Okay, that was not far. That's about what I expected. That's really insane. That's not even reasonable. That's not reasonable. No point to be that faster. It kicks out the rear at half throttle. It's ridiculous. Is this a road? Oh, I think this is a road. Yeah, this isn't. Yeah, I could not do that. Is working, but that was at least 100, I promise you. After having all this fun on the 300, it was finally time for me to learn a little lesson about real bikes.
Det var alldeles den här. Jag ska dra från de bromseffekterna, då kände jag var rakt över där. Sjukt glad jag för min övning på Willys nu alltså. Hade inte bromsat där och varit kört. Ja just det, nu är jag här. Där är vägen, nu ska vi inte. Okej, det blev vägen ändå.
And now, for the final verdict on the 300 two-stroke.